Attention! There is an important update on GST returns. Until now, taxpayers could edit their auto-populated tax liability in GSTR 3B based on GSTR 1, 1A, or IFF data. But starting from the July 2025 tax period, which you will file in August 2025, this auto-populated liability will become non-editable. Do not worry. You can still correct mistakes using Form GSTR 1A before filing 3B. So if you make a mistake in GSTR 1 or IFF, use GSTR 1A in the same tax period to amend it. Once 3B is generated, no more edits will be allowed. For more information, refer to GSTN advisories dated January 27, 2025 and October 17, 2024. Stay compliant and plan your return filing timeline carefully. Follow for more GST updates, simplified.